Hi guys, I know I haven't really talked much about this watch because frankly I don't know much about it. But I'll tell you what little I do know. It's an Illinois 1921 pocket watch, 19 jewels, suggested 3 positions, and a double roller, which I can't remember what that means right now, but anyway. And it doesn't run currently. It has a broken balance staff, which happens a lot. Anyway, I'll show you the back of it, and yeah, it was worn a lot. But here's the movement. It has a grade 606 movement. If you care to enlighten me as to what in the world that means, please do. Like I said, doesn't run. Shame. And I have that gear that's missing. It's missing a screw. But yeah, I'll show you around. 19 jewels. Not a railroad watch, but close to one. There's its serial number. This was my great grandmother's watch. She had it for years. Anyway, I'll give you a last view of the front. Nice watch though. I'd love to get it running. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.